I think the most important thing to know about online teaching is to really make sure that your personality comes through and that you can show that personality and have that. The other thing is to really not think about it as being the same as a face-to-face class. You can't just translate the classroom right to online. You have to think about it in different ways. One of the things that was told to me was that it's like taking a play and trying to just film it straight. You can't do that. They're different mediums, and so you really want to think about the medium and genre and how to best use that medium to reach your students.
The most important thing for me about online teaching is really to understand that the hierarchies can be different, that in a traditional classroom, things are very set. There's the professor, there's the TAs and the students and so on. But in an online class, it can really be a little bit more mixed up, and it can be a little bit difficult to figure out who's really in charge at times, which can be interesting for the students and the professor and the TAs as well. So communication is essential. So if there's any issues or problems, reacting to those very quickly can help out quite a bit.
To know about online teaching are linked to the concepts of time and space. In online classes, it is essential for instructors to take into account that time goes by a lot faster. In the digital space, therefore, we don't really have a lot of gaps or time lagoons in between. Hence, the instructor should be very well prepared and also use that time to really connect with students. Which sort of brings me to my second point, which is space. From my experience in online teaching, I've learned that space becomes more personal. It allows for more interaction between the instructor and the student, but also within students themselves.
So the most important thing in my mind is being prepared. You should have all your materials ready before you start, because time is so compressed, especially in a synchronous environment. There's no time to be like, oh, where are my dry erase pens? Where is this file? You need to be organized and prepared. And before your first online class, I would say that you need to realize that you're nervous, but the students are also probably just as nervous. And so if you're prepared and organized, then the first experience is reassuring, and that hopefully goes very well. And they think, oh, this online environment, I was a little nervous at first, but I can totally do this.